What's up, guys? Your boy Black Teddy here. Today, I met up with my homie Dave. He came down, met me in my hometown, Earl, North Carolina, and today we're about to go shoot some rifles, some handguns, man. Then later we're gonna go fishing. So right now, we're just setting up the rifles and stuff. Back in a little bit. Oh, but yeah, my homie Dave over there. Mr. L's Davo.
What's good, y'all?
Yee yee. All right, guys, let me back in a little bit. What's up, guys? I'm back. So we're out here in the woods. I'm about to shoot a Glock 43.
My boy said Glock 43.
It's some cans up there in the wood.
They plugging up right about now. They said that's a what now?
Glock 43.
A Glock 43. How many times to shoot?
8.
8 times. Damn, my record. Isn't that Glock 43? Dang. Did he hit anything? These boys sounding. Oh, he got another clip.
We back to it.
Here we go. I'm gonna back off of that thing again. She loud. Ooh, that thing loud. Ooh, that thing loud.
Make sure you always practice proper gun safety, guys.
So, see how he holding that thing to the ground there?
Proper gun safety. So, yeah.
See, what's the #1 rule of gun safety? Treat every gun as if.
As it's loaded.
That's it. That's it. You
All
hear,
right,
boys?
We'll be back in a little bit.
Check my man out right here, y'all.
Springfield Saint, dual caliber, chamber 223-556. We're gonna see what it does.
Popping the cherry today.
All ready?
Okay. All right. Damn.
There we go.
Hey.
All right, guys, as you just saw, Mr. A.O.'s Davo shot the 223, 30-round clip. Tell him how you feeling, man.
Shoot real nice.
Real nice.
I still got a 0 in the sights, but for the first shot, I can dig it.
Okay. All right, guys, we'll be back in a little bit. Hope you guys are enjoying. All right, I'm out. 2-3, 30-round mag. We letting it rip. Here we go.
Hot.
We hot. Yes, sir.
You smoking? Rona who?
Rona who?
Rona who?
Look what's on the ground. Look at that. Damn, people, y'all see that right there?
All them casing, letting it off.
Look at that.
Destroyed that tree.
Gee.
This gave me a hell of a adrenaline. I can't even talk. Adrenaline.
America. Second Amendment, baby.
Woo! You can do this out here in the country because ain't nobody can call the police because they do it out here all the time. So just come out here, you know, shoot some guns, have some fun. All right, guys. Mr. A.O. Davo got back with some targets. So everybody have a little competition, you know. Who has the best shot? So we'll be back in a little bit. All right. All right, guys, we over here looking at the grouping.
Yes, sir.
See what he did.
Eyeballs and assholes. Look at that.
Look at that.
Pretty good now.
You know, just getting the feel for it. Then I'm gonna do the last 20 of me letting this bad boy rip.
This child, you got 30 rounds. Child that red out of it. Get that red out of it. Damn, I'm looking behind it. We back in the woods.
Yep.
Pick it up.
Oh, dead center.
There you go. Pick it up. There you go. Pick it up some more. Just a little bit more. Stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there.
Woo! Chill out. Oh, wait till you see this grouping. Good. Back up. Back up. Sheesh. Go show the people what you did, cuz.
Don't fuck with me.
Black Teddy wouldn't play no games on that.
Let's do it, baby. Let's show them what we got. The 223.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Oh,
9,
yeah.
10. We got 10. I'm gonna count them 2
Oh, yeah.
points right there.
Woo! Come in, you want to.
Put that whole mag in there.
Come in, you want to.
Oh, I gotta get a picture of that right there.
Yes, sir.
That's it right there.
Yes, sir. I mean, what can I say? I'm talented at everything I do. Everything I do. All right.
How many yards you got away?
How about 10, 15?
Right at the top of that.
There you go.
Nope. There you go. All right. Check the grouping out.
Damn, y'all.
You had to align those sights, right?
Yeah.
Align those 3 dots.
Yeah, cause okay.
Put
I
another
wait
mag-
till
put another
all
mag
three.
through it.
Huh?
I said, go ahead and put another mag.
I
through
wait till all 3 of them get across like that,
it.
and then. But I notice what it's doing when you shoot it. It goes up like that. Then.
All right, guys. Your boy Black Teddy here. As you saw, we just had a little fun out here shooting the rifles and the handguns, and it was a fun time. You know, we had a great time out here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know I have new videos coming in. All right, I'm out.